Hi everybody, welcome back to the FibSwap training videos. I just want to do another video for you to show you how to swap from the Ethereum network over to the Binance Smart Chain network. So we're going to swap Ethereum. We've got some Ethereum in here and we're going to swap it to the FibSwap token. So we're going to do that just now. So the first thing we want to do here is to clear all the cookies, clear the cache for this as well, just in case you've used it before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the little padlock, see where it says dex.fibswap.io on the left hand side. There should be a padlock there that tells you it's secure. We're going to clear the cookies, remove, done. Then we're going to refresh the page. So that means there's no cookies in there, nothing there at all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to connect the wallet and we'll do it via MetaMask. We've got Ethereum connected there, the Ethereum wallet. If this was on the smart chain, the Binance Smart Chain, it would automatically connect to that and switch these about as well. So first thing we're going to do is determine how much ETH we want to spend on FibSwap. So we're going to do, we've got maximum, we'll do 0.04, it's about $100, just over $100. And the minimum trade for FibSwap is $100. So we're going to go to the Binance Smart Chain, you can see that here. And we'll click on Fibo. And you've got your destination address as well. You can put in your destination address. So keep it the same. Obviously I'm going to grey it out, my address, but I'll click on Get Quote. Click on that, you're going to have to sign a form just to say it's okay for FibSwap to kind of sign a message for you. Make sure that no one else can communicate on their behalf. Sign that. And then we should get a quote coming back to say, okay, you can swap Ethereum for FibSwap and how much you're going to get. So you're going to get 18,000 FibSwap tokens. And you can see the fees here as well. The gas fee in Ethereum is $27 down here. And the gas fee for BNB is 0.35. So you need to make sure you've got enough gas fees on both sides of this as well. Let's click on swap. And that tells us we're going to swap it. It's going to give us a gas fee. Confirm that. And that's going to say successfully transferred. But now what we want to do is click on transactions. And it'll give us a summary of the transactions. That'll come up in a few seconds. You can see we've got a confirmed transaction there. Now we're just waiting on the transactions coming through in this tab here. So we can go ahead and hit the OK. So you can see it's come up and it's pending. That'll just be a few seconds for that as well. So it just tells you have one transaction in progress. And then when it's all done, it'll just come up for you to accept it. Okay, so you can see here, it's taken a couple of minutes, but you can see here what we want to do is click on complete to complete the transaction. Click on that, come up with another form to say switch network. And we're going to use the relayer. Complete that. Sign that message again just to say all's okay. And sign again. And we're just waiting on this completing. So that should complete on the two sides. So what will have happened now is completed on the Ethereum side, and it's now just waiting on the other side of it as well. So successfully completed. So what we'll do now is we're going to Crosschain, and we'll click on Fibo token because we've already changed the networks. And we can see there we've got 14,999. So it's taken some of the gas fees in the receiving token. That's what the relayer was for. So we've done it. That's the cross swap done. So we've swapped from Ethereum network over to the BSC network. We've got some Fibo tokens there. All the gas fees have been paid, everything up to date. So now look on the back end. So this was, you can see, we'll reload that. So it was done 7 minutes ago. That's from the Ethereum side, $142. Smart chain side, so we've got 14,999 tokens. So that was $118 worth just now. So as I said, you have to pay the gas fees on the sides of it. So there's nothing we can do about that. You have to pay the Ethereum gas fees, just exactly the same as using Uniswap. And you pay the Binance Smart Chain gas fees as well. Again, just the same as using PancakeSwap, but that's minimal compared to the Ethereum network. That will come down in the future. Once Ethereum 2 fully gets kind of integrated, the fees will come down for Ethereum. But that's it, essentially done. You can see it's all down the back end there, and everything is sorted out. So we've just swapped from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain network. And that was relatively easy. There's a couple of clicks you have to do to sign it, but that's no different from doing anything else when you want to do it properly. And there's security measures in there as well. So until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.